Good morning students. Today we will study the last topic, electronic displacements. Electronic displacement is of four types: inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation. So first we will study electronic displacements: inductive effect, electromagnetic effect, resonance effect or mesomeric effect and hyperconjugation. Inductive effect: the displacement of shared electron pair along a chain due to difference in electronegativity in the molecule is called as inductive effect. For example, in alkyl halide, the electron pair is more displaced toward the chlorine atom. So, what is happening? The displacement of electron is taking place, and this is known as shared electron pair. The displacement is taking place, and so it is known as inductive effect. So, this chlorine will get negative charge because chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. Electrons are displaced to a chlorine atom, so it will get negative charge and carbon will get positive. Del positive on carbon atom and del negative on chlorine atom. This type of displacement is known as inductive effect. Due to difference in electronegativity, what is happening? It is developing partial positive and negative charge. This is known as inductive effect. Inductive effect is of two types: positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Positive inductive effect: if an atom or group attached to carbon repel the shared electron pair away from it, then the inductive effect is said to be positive inductive effect. If it is repelling the shared pair away from it, if it is repelling the electrons away from it, is known as positive inductive effect. If an atom or group of atom attached to carbon attracts the shared electron pair towards itself, it is attracting towards itself, then it is known as negative inductive effect. So positive inductive effect repels the shared electron pair, and in negative inductive effect attracts the shared electron pair. Example of inductive effect. So this is the negative inductive effect. The electrons are attract away from the molecule, and positive inductive effect, electrons are attracted towards the molecule. This is positive inductive effect. So the group showing positive inductive effect: nitro group, cyanide, carboxylic acid, fluoride, chloride, bromide is showing positive inductive effect. And here it is showing this is tertiary carbonium ion, secondary and primary. This is showing electron releasing effect. This is electron attracting effect. So minus inductive effect, and this is positive inductive effect. Then electromagnetic effect: the complete transfer of pi electron pair towards one of the bonded atom during the course of reaction is called as electromagnetic. What is happening? The complete transfer of pi electrons is taking place, and this is known as electromagnetic effect. For example, in carbonyl group, the transfer of pi electrons develop positive charge on carbon and negative charge on oxygen. So complete transfer of electron is taking place from the pi electrons are transferring from this to oxygen, and this is oxygen is getting negative charge and carbon is getting positive charge. This type of complete transfer of pi electron is known as electromagnetic effect. Then resonance or mesomeric effect: when a single structure of a molecule or ion does not account for all the non-properties, it can be represented by two or more structures that differ from one another in the arrangement of electrons and not in atomic nuclei. The molecule is said to involve resonance, known as resonance hybrid of all these structures. None of these structures represent the actual molecule, but each of these structures contribute to the hybrid known as contributing structure. So only single structure will not explain the structure of molecule. It is represented by 4 or 5 structures. More than one structure will represent the complete structure of molecule, and all these structures are known as resonance structure, and the actual structure is the resonance hybrid of all these structures. This type of effect is known as resonance or mesomeric effect. Example of resonance effect: benzene can be represented in two ways. Kekuले structure. This is the first structure, second structure. So these both are the resonance structure of benzene, and it is a resonance hybrid of these two structures, and so this type of effect is known as resonance effect. Then hyperconjugation: if an alkyl group is attached to an unsaturated system, is double bond or triple bond next to it. If alkyl group is attached, it also increases the stability of alkenes. The stability of alkenes is increased. which can be explained in terms of delocalization of electrons, which involve the interaction of electrons of C-H bond of alkyl group with the electrons, n electrons of carbon-carbon double bond. This type of effect is known as hyperconjugation or sigma pi conjugation. Since it involves no bond formation, it is also called as no bond resonance. This is also known as no bond resonance. So here we are seeing the electrons. This is releasing of electrons. So this is H plus. Here no bond is there, so it is known as no bond resonance. Now this alkyl group attached. So here plus group is there, and then here plus is there. So this type representation of hyperconjugation. No. So in this way we will represent. So the to unsaturated system, a single bond is there, and this is alpha hydrogen, and this release electron, and this type of release of electron is known as hyperconjugation effect. Thank you.